Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. Beautiful morning to everyone here today. Good morning, good morning, good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. I bring you all greetings this morning. Please, I won't have come out here this morning to do this video, but I have to because it involves life. Yesterday I was at the court. The magistrate saw me. I was battling with breath. Please, but I will not keep quiet. I will not keep quiet and die in silence. My BP is very high. The threat is much. Nigeria, the world at large, the threat is too much. The threat is much. Please. Yesterday, before the court seat, I told a lawyer that I wanted to see the magistrate. That's the woman that is coordinating. They say I cannot see her, that she will soon come on stage to talk. Then after the sitting, I told the clerk, Abi, that I want to see her. She said I can't see her, that she's doing another case. The threat is too much. Like somebody sent message, how was the burial of your son? You are fighting a church, definitely you will bury your child. Please, these things are killing. We cannot say matter is in court and I will keep quiet and die inside house. Then one Mr. Raymond or Mockery call me that I should go and apologize on national newspaper, apologize on TV. I don't understand what I'm apologizing for. That if I do not, anything I see I take. To me, that is a threat. I can't close my eyes well. My BP is high. I cannot keep quiet and die in silence because of say court is on. So please, I have to come out here this morning and talk because I have to talk. Please, the matter is in court. They should allow the court to take his own place. One Mr. Raymond or Mercury say I should go and write on national newspaper and beg. I don't know who I'm to beg. I don't know why this. The matter is in court. They should respect court order and let court take its course. The threat is too much. Somebody sending me message, how was the burial of your child? If it's you, how would you feel? How would you feel when you get that kind of message? They cannot tell me to shut up when the parliament members are treating me anyhow. They cannot tell me to shut up when they are treating me anyhow. It's not as if I have security or I have anybody checking on me. If I keep quiet and die now, this whole thing is over. That's why I came out. I wanted to see the chief magistrate yesterday and tell her, Madam, see what is happening. But I don't have space to. That's why I came here. The threat is much. I don't know who is Reno Namankre. I don't know. It's even yesterday they told me he was once whether governor or something or vice governor. I don't know. He should leave me alone. I don't have what he have. He cannot come and tell me to go and beg. If I don't beg, what will happen? If you kill me once, can you kill me again? I'm calling on America everywhere. You push you help me beg him to leave me. You push you beg the parliament member to leave me. The matter is in court. You cannot tell me to keep quiet. And this kind of a thing is coming. I will not have anybody to tell. Please, Nigerians, America, Canada, anywhere, please help me beg them. The matter is in court. Watch my videos. I have not mentioned these things. It is in court. But the threat is too much. You are fighting our geo. Watch what will happen to you. This will be fun. It's too much. The ones that are parents here should look at it. How will you feel when somebody wake up and you, or the message you see is, how was the burial of your son? How would you feel? And you say I should keep quiet. Why would the court tell me to keep quiet when you don't call the parliament member to order? Is the quiet one side? Quiet should be on every side. Why would I be getting things like if you don't go and beg them? So the other day somebody said before 20th I will die. 20th is yesterday. I'm still here. Because God knows that I did not frame lies and come and tell. My son did not frame lies and come and tell. So that's what I say. Let me inform people, please. Reno Omakure, leave me alone. I don't know you. It was yesterday I tried asking who is this person. I thought it's even Kumuyi's son. They say he's one thing to governor of whether I'm governor. No, I don't know now. I'm a trader. I don't know this. I don't read paper. I don't know. I beg, leave me. Don't tell me who I would to apologize. Don't tell me how wrath of God will fall on me. I'm not fighting God. I'm fighting for my child's right. I'm fighting for those who cannot talk right. Is it that when something happens, nobody will talk? Why are you threatening me? The threat is too much. I tried to talk to magistrate yesterday. They did not allow me to see her. Nigeria, the world at large, the threat is too much. I can't do anything freely. Won't I feed? Won't I eat? Please help me, oh. That's why I came this morning. My BP is too high. I've been lying down, taking drugs. I can't go out. To work I'm supposed to do, I can't do. I soak pap since 3 days. I can't get up and do it. If I get up, small time, fear. I had been fear. Because of this threat, it's too much. Please help me beg people. They should leave me. The matter is in court. Let court decide. Please. Thank you. Thank you all.
Telma Malaka, Mrs., the Education Secretary, Deeper Life High School. This is a further statement, though the first we shared with discerning observers on the allegation of molestation of a JS1 student, Don Davis, at our Uyo campus, Akwa Ibom State. First and foremost, permit me to remind you that the Office of the Governor of Akwa Ibom has taken over the investigation of the matter to ensure neutrality and a dispassionate outcome. We appreciate the concerned effort of everyone who has shown support in the investigation thus far. We reiterate that we will be transparent and that justice will not only be served, it will be seen by all that it has been served. Recall that we had earlier suspended the principal of the affected campus and initiated an investigation into the matter. We decided to restrain ourselves from further comments after the first update because we thought it is sub judice to comment on a matter currently under investigation. However, considering the potential impact of this issue, especially on what we stand for, we are compelled to provide an early update before the final report is released by the government. The panel has sat and we have presented staff members and students of our school who have been mentioned in this particular case all through the period of the investigation. We believe that the government will share the final report once the investigation is concluded. Secondly, as a parent myself, I do care about the mental and physical health of Don Davis, who has been at the center of this issue. Despite the intriguing underpinnings we will continue to show our love to him within the limits permitted by his parents. We have unflinching confidence in our God to resolve the issue such that at the end, the truth will ultimately prevail. Thirdly, I will like to let you know that the police is also currently investigating this matter, and we have been invited to share our own side of the story. The detailed interrogation was, however, adjourned due to the holidays. We believe that a new date will be communicated as soon as possible by the police authorities. Finally, we would like to restate that Deeper Life High School stand on the core values of integrity and uprightness and will not attempt to cover up any immoral act under any guise. We enjoin the public to be on the lookout for the final report, as will be released by the appropriate authorities soon. Thank you, and God bless you.